Let's draw an apple. Start with a circle.
Add a stem and a leaf to finish the shape.
Now,
Color it red.
great job. Let's draw a banana. Start with a nice curve. Now fill it yellow. Perfect. Hi kids. Let's draw an orange. First a big circle. Now a leaf.
Yay, orange!
Let's draw a mango. Start with an oval. Now add the stem and leaf. Great job, everyone.
Let's draw purple grapes. First, the yummy circles, please. Down to stay in run free.
Let's draw a strawberry. It's red.
Red.
Now add the green leaves on top. Let's draw a watermelon. Green and red. First the green, then the red.
Let's draw a pineapple. A yellow oval.
Great job, everyone.
Let's draw a pear. First the body, then the stem.
Let's draw a cherry.
Cherry, cherry, red and sweet.
Color it red like this.
Red is
Great job, everyone. Let's draw a kiwi, brown and green.
green.
Great job, a perfect kiwi.
Blueberry, berry, you.
Let's draw a blueberry. Now it's blue, you just like you. Let's draw a papaya. It is orange.
Papaya.
Great job, everyone.
Let's draw some fruits.
Red